Hi everybody. I thought I'd bring this little video taken last December with hiking with Suri. I figured since it's so hot throughout the rest of the country in this month of July that maybe a little winter scene, peaceful winter scene hiking with Suri would cool us all off. Anyways, I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy seeing Suri. Suri loves the snow. Hiking in the snow especially, more so than in the summer. She really enjoys snow hiking. So here's our little Suri enjoying her hike in the snow last December. Blessings to everybody.